guys, Victoria Park. Yan yung ano, yan yung fire station. Let's go, let's go. Tutulog kami. Nabasa kami sa Victoria Park. Okay. Victoria Park here. Oops. Okay, you go by yourself. By yourself. Wait. 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 Wait, Alfred, wait. Okay. So, you do yourself. No? Ay, ayaw niya ano, magpatulak. Gusto niya itulak. Okay, you do yourself. Yeah, go. Go. Yay! Wait, wait, stand up first, stand up. Stand up first. You stand up, you stand up first. Stand up first. Why not? Huh? Why not? Okay, wait, give me a second. Wait. You hold there. There. Okay. Feet up. Feet up. Feet up. Feet up. Feet up. Good boy. Oh my God. Ganito oh. Hirap-hirap. Ganito. Ano ba yan? Hirap-hirap. We're in Victoria Park na. Tapos sa Victoria Park. Look na kami ng Victoria. Pero ang laki ng Victoria. Yan o. Yung roller skating rank. Ayan na nakita nyo. Yung roller skating ranks. Diyan o. Diyan banda o. Yan o. Diyan. Tapos yung swimming pool naman isa punta doon. Doon. Toilet meron dito. Tapos didiretso kami sa playground. Nasa ikot ko kayo dun sa ano. Ikot tayo dun sa ano. Ikot tayo dun sa ano. Skating ranks. Ano ko doon. Ituturo ko kayo dun sa ano. Victoria Park skating rank. Ay, skating ranks. Skating ranks. skating rinks. You know. Oh wow! There's some flying. You know, mga bata. Nag-skating mga bata. You know. Skating rinks. Dana, you ride. Sit. Sit. Feet up. Feet up. Feet up. Feet up. Feet up. Good boy. There's little race sa Victoria Park. Skating race. Cute ng bata, oh. Wow. Yan, oh. Skating race. Mayroon din matanda. Naglalaro, oh. Nag-ano dito. Ayan, oh. Sige, mama. Sila. Ay, mga little cute boy. Yan o. Yan o. Okay. Tapos kita wala kami. Oh. Hindi pala to. Pasok pala to sa ano. Yan o, ang cute nila. Victoria. Bawa kami dun sa ano. Nababa kami lang sa may swimming pool. Itutur ko kayo sa may swimming pool ng Victoria Park, Hong Kong. Malapit lang to sa amin. Ipagpasok sa gate. Victoria Park na. Whole Victoria Park. Maybe 3 minutes walk. 3 to 5 minutes walk from our place. Yun. Victoria Park na. Baba kami dito. Yan yung mga little boy, oh. Skating. Tapos from there, bawa tayo dito. Tuturo ka dito sa may singko. Ayan yung swimming pool nila. Usually before, nagra-run ako in the morning. or at night time, depends kung makagising na maaga sa morning o mag-run, maliligo ako dyan. It's open naman siya ng morning. Yeah, let's have a quick tour here first. May tennis court sila doon. Papakita ko sa'yo. Ito. See? Yan yung swimming pool. Victoria swimming pool. Ano yun? Victoria Park swimming pool. Okay. Ayun yun. Mga swimming pool. So far, so ngayon close pa siya. Ayun o. Or maybe the other side lang. I don't know yet. It's close to siguro. Kasi, ano. Dito lang ang bukas. Isa lang ang bukas. Kasi, nag-ano sila ng ano, temperature. Bukas sila ng temperature. Hi! Ito yung ating car. Hi! Sayang. Oh, ito talaga yung ating car. Ayan o. 6:30 to 12 noon. Then 1 p.m. to 14. Then 6 to 10. Ayan. Ayan yung ano nila. Tapos, yan na yung symbol nila. Victoria Park symbol. Ito naman is tennis. Ano, tennis. Tennis area dyan. Ang lawak ng ano, Victoria Park. Ang lawak ng Victoria Park. Ito naman from our place. Ito yung ano, unang park.
There also. Over there also.
From our place, ito yung anong park. Children's playground. No, not that park, sorry. Ito ang unang children's playground. Let's go ahead. Yung unang children's playground. Yan, minsan pag morning, daming nag-ano dyan ng mga oldies. Nag-exercise. Dito kami. Yan o. So, ito. Down bow naman doon. So, dito kami playground. You wanna go down? Down? You play now? Okay, you play. Come. Yeah, it's okay. You know right there? Swing? Yeah, come on here. Come here, dali. Come here, swing. Swing. Come here. Come here. Here. Marami ding nag-ano dito. Mga bata dito. Nag-aalaga sa ano. Mga bata inaalagaan dito sa Hong Kong.
Sorry.
You know, it's alright. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's fine. Okay, you play now, honey. Ngang. 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 Yeah, you go ahead. It's okay. It's okay. How old? How old?
14 months.
Wow, that's so cute.
And old?
2 years old.
2 years.
Yeah.
That's okay. Not too big. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, you play the baby. Come on.
Ah,
Yes,
James.
sir.
Regarde. Allez, joue avec celle-là. Viens là. That's okay. Can I play? Okay. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Bye. You wanna go somewhere? No, you stay here? Ano, dami naglalaro. Come. You wanna ride here? No? Okay. Wow, very good. Very good. Hi. Oh, you play, it's alright. Okay, let's go in the other park. Come on. In there, in the other park there. Come on. You ride now. No, 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 no. Ang galing talaga niya mag no, 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 no. Tara na. Doon tayo sa kabila. Tara na, Fred. Bye-bye. Let's go on the other side there. Dali. Dali na. Bye-bye. Okay, you ride. You sit. Oh, bye-bye. I'm going the other side. You ride now. Oh, bye-bye then. Bye. Bye bye. Let's go there. Let's go into the side. You're right, you're right, you're right. Let's go on the other side. Okay, you wanna go? Okay. Okay, you go back, you go back, you go back. Okay. Okay. Okay, you play. Ayaw niya pa umalis. You right now? Sit down. Go up your feet. Up your feet. Up your feet. Up your feet.
Just be careful, there's a lot of space here.
Whoops. What? Okay, bye-bye. I'm going na. Hello, bye-bye. Yan yung ano, may lalagay mo, ano, bowling. Bowling din. Ayun, oh. Hi! Hi! Hoy, Isnadera!
Ay, ate, nakamas ka kasi. Nakipunta?
Naglalaro. Dito.
Dyan lang.
Diyan lang kayo.
Oo.
Ilalagay ko siya doon. Tingnan.
Doon sa may swing. Ay, sa may slide.
Slides. Tingnan ko. Ayan o. Yan ang pangalawang playground sa mga bata. Children's playground. Children's playground. Yeah, you go there, see? This is a slide, come on. Yay, come on. You right here. Sit. Sit. Yan ang pangatlong sigaw. Sit. You sit. You sit. Sit. Hey, pick up. Pick up. Pick up. Ano pangatlong playground? Galing sa amin. Oh, yeah! Ang daming kalapate, oh. Ang daming kalapate. Ang daming bata. Kaya you wanna go up there? Ano? Daming bata. Halina. You go where? Okay, I'll follow you. Come on. Okay, okay. Lena. Come on. It's okay. It's a baby. Come on. Hello. Hello. See? Hello, come on. Oh, he's eating something.
Michael?
Yes, he just
Eating stick.
the steak. Yeah, the steak. Yeah, he just pulled it down. It's okay. Come here. Let's play here. Here, Fred. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, me. 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Ikaw. Ako. 1, Okay, you follow. Naik na. One. Good boy. Tuan ka doon? Dali. Daming bata dito. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, you wanna ride? Okay, ride now. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the horse. There, there's the horse there. You see the horse there? Huh? Huh? Dali. What? No, go down. No, you will fall. Down. Baba na. Baba. Good boy. Tara. Tara dun tayo sa may horse, oh. May horse ta. Dali. Dali na, bye-bye. Hey, you ride. You ride. There's a horse there, see? There's a horse. Come on. Okay, okay, okay. Tara na, tara na. Baba na, Fred! Baba na! Baba na, dali na! Let's go for the horse, come on!
Dalawang kamay. No!
Yeah. Tara! Tara na, dali na! See, look! Look at baby! Alfred, look! Look, Lily! Let's go to the sea! Ano ba yan? Ang daming tao dyan kasi. Pero yung bata kaya.
Please wait your turn.
O ano, saan ka gusto? Hi! Hi!
Oh, good job, Stella. Come on.
Hello!
Well done, darling.
Hello!
Good boy.
Bye-bye. Okay. Feet up! Feet up! Feet up, Dana! Feet up! Feet up! Feet up! Good boy. Feet up, I said. Feet up!
More dirty.
Feet up, let's go to the... Hello, ate. Hello. Mm. Okay. Yan ang pangatlong playground. Nasito na naman. Then kami dito sa horse. Yan o, lagi nag-jogging, nag-exercise dyan banda. Papakita ko lang sa inyo ngayon yung half ng ano, Victoria. I don't know how to. Feet up. Good boy. Dito kami sa horsey. Ano? May dalawang horse ang Victoria Park. Tapos akit yung daman. Umikot lang kami. Umikot lang kami sa horse kasi papakita ko sa inyo dito banda. Ayan. Pwede dumaan dito. Pwede nang dumaan dyan. Ay, yung second toilet from our place. Yung pangalawang toilet. Pwede ano 1, 2, 3 children playground and then 2 toilet. Nagitnaan yung ano, children playground. And then, dyan pwede na kami uwi dyan. Diretso na kami dyan. Pero ikot ako doon. Ang laki nitong Victoria Park. Pag Sunday, ang daming nakaano dito. Yan o. Pwede kayong dumaan dyan. Pero hindi, ayoko dumaan kasi ito, may ano. Pick up! May ano ako, dala akong ganito. Tutulak. Dito. Yan o, yun na yung boat. Yan. Dito na. Pero may ano yan. May pade. Ang tawag ito? May fence. Akit ka muna dun sa ano na yan. Sa overpass. Bago ka makapunta dun sa kabilang side. Sa promenade ng seaside. Kaya maganda din view dyan sa taas. Marami din nagpo-practice dyan. Super laki tong Victoria Park. Hindi ko alam kung ilang ano to. Ilang hectare to. Yan o. Hawak, hawak! Ayun yung left doon. Doon banda. Ang daming nag-ano dito. Nag-jogging. Nag-picnic. Lalo na pag Sunday. Ang daming tao dito. Super. Yan o. Yan doon. Parang may ano siya. Hindi ka mabasa. Hindi tayo dyan daan. Diyan papunta naman yan doon. Iikot lang din yan. Dito lang nga tayo daan. Ito o. Yan. Maraming daan eh. Yan papunta yan doon. Ito naman. Paikot dito. Yung daan na yun. Pabalik yun. You hold, you hold, you hold. Yan dyan, ano na yan, Causeway Bay. Pagka ano ng fence ng Victoria Park, Causeway Bay na yan. Dito tayo dito. Iikot ako. You hold, Fred, you hold. Ang dami ang firm. Ano, paikot na to. Makikita mo yung ano. Children's Park 4. Yan na. Pumunta yun dyan sa taas. Punta sa taas yan. Yung road na yan. Punta yun dyan sa taas. Tapos, ito naman, babalik to dun sa Children's Playground number 3. Sit up! Pumunta kami dyan sa sa playground number 4. Yeah, let's go there. Yeah, let's go there. You hold. Ayan naman, yung na mga boat. Diyan sila. Ayan. Ito yung Children's Playground number 4. Okay, go down. Okay, down. Down, you play now. Down. Go. Okay.